If you own a Mac computer or you plan on getting one, or let's say you make use of your friend's computer, please pay attention to this information. In this video, I will share with you 10 Mac shortcut tips and tricks that can help you save time and be more productive. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who just want to get things done faster on their Mac. And technically, it works. Let me show you. Number 1, the Spotlight search. This is like a quick finder for your Mac. Press Command key and spacebar to search for anything on your Mac. Try and get used to this because whenever you want to find a file or an app on your Mac, simply tap the shortcuts and type the name of the file you are looking for. Spotlight will also search through things like your hard drive, both internal and external, your iMessages, your bookmarks, or anything you would like to find on your Mac. I use this a lot because the search result is so instant, believe me. Number 2, the screenshot. You've got 5 different options to take a screenshot on your Mac. Press Command-Shift-3 to capture the entire screen. Press Command-Shift-4 to capture a selected area on your screen. With this option, you've got to use your mouse to select the area you want to capture on your screen. Move your mouse to the area you want, then drag the mouse to make like a square or rectangle shape. Then release your hand on the mouse. That's it. Press Command-Shift-5 to open a screenshot toolbar. Now, this shortcut is like the Oga Patapata of the screenshot options on your Mac. It shows all the 5 screenshot options. Did you know that you can even record your screen with this shortcut? Yes, that's right. You can record a video of what's going on your screen. You don't need any app for this. Obviously, I know most Mac users use external apps to record screen. Just try this and thank me later. I've been asked this question of where do all screenshots save to? Where do all screenshots go to? Not to worry, there's an option tab on the toolbar. Click on it and customize your screenshot including where you want to save to, and that's all. Number 3, hide, minimize, or quit. If you're doing something confidential on your system and you don't want someone who is approaching to see, press Command H to quickly hide whatever that is showing on your screen. You spend more time trying to hold your mouse and start dragging, Similarly, press Command M to quickly minimize any active tab or app on your screen. To bring back the hidden tab or app on your screen, just go back to the application tray and click on the app. To quit an app, simply press Command Q and the app quits. It's so quick. Number 4, the lock screen. If you want to take some time off or you're stepping away from your workstation and you don't want someone messing around with your Mac, simply press Command-Control-Q and your Mac will immediately switch to lock screen. Try this. Some Mac models configure their power button to do this, like just press the power button and the system just goes on lock screen. Mine does, so I don't bother myself about these shortcuts. Number 5, App Switcher. This is one feature of Mac computer that most Mac users are not familiar with. Press Command Tab to show a list of all the apps currently running on your Mac. Press and hold the Command key. Press the Tab key once or many times until it switches and highlights the app you want to switch to. Number 6, Quick Look. If you want to see what a file looks like and you don't want to open it with an app, select a file in a Finder folder or on your desktop, then press Spacebar. That's easy. This works for every file on your Mac, from image file, video file, PDF, and Microsoft files, and so on like that. You can even select multiple files to preview at once. Just select all the files and hit Command Y. You can now navigate with your arrow keys. Try it now. Number 7, quick actions. Now, this is really a cool shortcut you need to try. Did you know that with just one click, you can remove background of an image and even convert the image to any file type you want? Did you also know that you can trim or adjust the duration of a long video? Yes, you can. You don't need an app for it. Let's try it. Simply right-click on any image file on your computer and scroll your cursor down to the quick actions. Here you can see the list of things it does. Let's say I want to remove the background of this image. Just click Remove Background and that is it. Background removed with no stress. For video, right-click on it and scroll to the Quick Action submenu and click Trim. The options comes up and you can select the part of the video you want to cut and then click Done. There you go. Number 8, zoom it. Sometimes you struggle to read some text on your screen or some things just appear too tiny to see. This shortcut will help you zoom in and out instantly. Press Command plus to zoom in and Command minus to zoom out. I use this option a lot when I'm on the web because some things just be appearing, too tiny to see. So give it a try. It's really fast. Number 9, emoji. I know some people like the idea of applying emoji to their text when they are typing on a Mac, but they just don't know how to access it. It's really simple. Simply press Command Control Space, and there the emoji panel pops up, and it's exactly how it looks on iPhone. Browse through, click on any emoji you want to apply to your text, and there you go. Number 10, dictionary on the go. If you're on the web and you come across a word which you would like to check its meaning, ordinarily what some people do is copy the word and go on another browser tab and search for its meaning there, but that's a waste of time. Simply highlight the word, press and hold your trackpad, and the dictionary will pop up showing the meaning of that word. And not just the meaning, but it shows some more details about the word. Smart move. However, if you're using an iMac without an external trackpad connected to it, you can still use your mouse to highlight the word, right-click on it, and click on Lookup. There you go. Number 11. Actually, there's no number 11, but this also works with just a single click. Kindly click on that like button, and you know what that does? It gingers me to do more. If you find this video helpful, kindly share it to your friends. Drop your comment in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe now so that you get to see more informative contents. See you on the next one.